Today's session P block elements discuss. Group number 14 carbons and silicon discuss. Carbon is found at the native state from graphite. So most are discussed for 10th 11th standard studied carbon based elements, hydrocarbons, and most of like that large quantity of carbon combined from that other elements. Example, silicon occurs in silica, in the sand and quartz crystals. And that group number 14 carbon, silicons, germanium, tin and lead elements. So discuss the carbon catenation. Catenation ability from the chain is increased. Also catenation, the carbon will be increasing of the p block elements. So for important catenation point, the valence of elements greater than equal to 2. Elements should be have ability from bond with itself. So bond carbon to carbon bond ability is will be strong. So self bond will be most of strong other elements. So carbon to carbon most of strong with combined other element will be strong. Kinetic inertness of catenation of compound towards other element molecules. So carbon compounds example like that other elements hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Allotropes of carbon. So most of now discussed graphite, diamond and fullerene. So already well prepared example like that graphite is the sheet, two-dimensional sheet, and the graphite will be that act as the conductivity slightly, and two-dimensional sheet of carbon atom hexagonal shape, carbon to carbon bond length 1.41 Armstrong, and the benzene distance will be like that distance. Benzene distance, the carbon to carbon distance 1.40, 3 sigma bonds and neighbor to the carbon atom, and fourth one valence of electrons is conduct of unhybridized p orbital from the pi bond is like that delocalized of conducting electrical conductivity. Successive carbon sheets. So weak van der Waals forces distance, the successive sheet distance will be 3.4 Armstrong, and diamond is very hard sp3 hybridization, sigma bond and carbon to carbon covalent bond 1.54 Armstrong is the tetrahedral arrangement, the 4 valence of electron carbon, so free electrons for conductivity. So uses cutting glasses, making bows, rocks, drilling. And fullerene synthesis allotropes is called fullerene is like that the graphite, diamond. Allotropes of C32, C50, C60, 70 is also increased. The molecular cleavage is the ball like structure is the Buckminster fullerene is the 10th standard study. Buckifall, the 26 member ring and 12 5 member ring is the important sp2 hybridization, delocalized of sigma and delocalized pi bond, carbon to carbon bond distance 1.44 Armstrong, and carbon to carbon double bond distance 1.38. and next important discuss carbon monoxide preparation and structure, and carbon dioxide preparation and structure. Carbon combined with oxygen to give the product carbon monoxide. So industrials of nitrogen producer gas important, the equation is will be important. Carbon combine oxygen or nitrogen air to give the produce carbon monoxide and nitrogen gas. Formic acid with sulfuric acid to evolve carbon monoxide, and water and sulfuric acid is the property. Carbon monoxide react with oxygen to give the carbon dioxide give. So reducing act very important, already discussed first lesson. Carbon monoxide react with metal oxide, iron oxide, hematite ore, so remove of ions. So and next carbon monoxide with hydrogen gas to give the methyl alcohol. So very important question, Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. So carbon monoxide with hydrogen in atmospheric pressure less 50 atmospheric pressure is catalysis of 500 to 700 Kelvin yield saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon students. So carbon monoxide 2n plus 1 hydrogen, example like that carbon monoxide 2 time of carbon monoxide with n equal to 2 apply, example like that 2 time of carbon monoxide plus 2 into 1 plus 3 hydrogens molecules to give the product C2H6 ethane So balance remove of the water molecules. So hydrocarbons is a saturated hydrocarbon single bond. Unsaturated hydrocarbons is also give the Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. Structure will be studied well for 11th standard. And the carbonyl, carbon monoxide, like that. Another common name is the carbonyl, studied for 4th lesson. Tetrahedral carbonyl, free oxygen state in that lesson. Free the zero oxidation state of the metal carbonyl. Example, pentacarbonyl ion, hexacarbonyl chromium is like that. The structure 11th standard well studied, discussed. So carbon to oxygen bond distance 1.128. The structure will be most of discussed for 11th standard. And the carbon monoxide, important uses of water gas shift reactions and nitrogen producer gas, so good reducing agents, and carbonyl compound in transition metal. Carbon dioxide preparations, so carbon dioxide in free state, combined state, air in the 0.03 percentage, and carbon monoxide with oxygen to give the product is carbon dioxide. Again calcium carbonate and reactive with reducing property is the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide produced, or calcium carbonate in the practical session, the salt conformations of carbonate, so add with dilute hydrochloric acid to white precipitate and water molecule, carbon dioxide gas evolved is the brisk emergence is also studied for 11th standard practical. So and next will be the properties. Carbon dioxide above 3000 Kelvin is a evolve of carbon monoxide. So high temperature means carbon separated will be oxygen evolves. And water gas shift equilibrium is also discussed for 11th standard. Carbon dioxide with hydrogen gas, carbon monoxide plus hydrogen oxide, water molecule produced. So acid behavior already discussed. Carbonated drink will be carbonic acid, carbon dioxide with the water, highly pressure involved to act as the slightly acidic nature. And structure will be discussed for 11th standard. Uses carbon dioxide used to the atmospheric chemical processing. Importance of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, dry carbon dioxide used rocket propellant and beverage, carbonated beverage product from the foam, and silicon tetrachloride. So silicon oxide react with carbon and chlorine gases, so to give the product of silicon tetrachloride. Another one preparation, silicon react with hydrochloric acid to give silicon tetrachloride. So property, silicon tetrachloride react with water, hydrochloric acid gives the product hydrochloric acid and silicon hydroxide. So important, silicon tetrachloride react with ethyl alcohol to give that ester, silicic ester with alcohol. So tetraethoxysilane to give the product. So silicon tetrachloride used in the production is the semiconductor. And silicones, silicon discuss is that organosilicon is the polymer, two types, is the chain polymer, linear polymer, and linkaged cross-linked polymer. Are used the silicones is the preparations of silicones from important. Silicon prepared from hydrolysis of dialkyl dichlorosilicones or diaryl dichlorosilicones. Example like that, alkyl chloride react with silicon to give the product dialkyl dichlorosilicone. So dialkyl dichlorosilicone add with water to give the product, so increasing of the chain to the chain polymer. So type of silicone discussed. So this is a cross-linked polymer is in between the silicon oxide is also methyl group Me, shortly write it, and that linear silicones is a diaryl silicone will be linear silicones. Linear silicones is a silicone rubber, silicone resins, and cyclic silicones means also dialkyl dichlorosilicone. Cross-linked silicone, alkyl trichlorosilicones. So properties like that, nature important determinants of the polymers, and rubber like the solids is the most of uses. And users consider temperature of lubrications, vacuum pump, and bath, used of making waterproofing or insulating material. electrical motor appliance. And silicate, type of silicate is the orthosilicates is another one name. Is common is SiO4 is the tetrahedral silicate unit, will be SiO4 nesosilicates is the another one name is orthosilicates. Another one pyrosilicate, to combine the two orthosilicate combine to form of pyrosilicate. So Si2O7 is a pyrosilicates or sorosilicates. Another one cyclic silicate of the ring silicate Si3 and n time of power 2n is the common. So uses of a cyclic are called is the combined with that six type of orthosilicates like that. So example beryl, aluminosilicates. So aluminum surrounded the 6 oxygen of atom. So aluminum is a catenation. Ionosilicates like that. So ionosilicate is the number of n unit of 2 or more oxygen atom is called ionosilicates. So chain silicate is also SiO3 and whole bracket 2 power n inverse. So chain will be increased is that the orthosilicate will be the cross opposite section will be chain will be increased, and double chain will be again another one increase is double chain is the amphibole silicates. So Si4O11 like that. So those are the sharing 3 vertical sharing and 2 vertices. Example like that is increasing of the chain is the asbestos is already discussed. So for asbestos is also name will be imagined. So now uses for home appliance and are fibrous non-combustible silicates, and compared to the sheet follow silicates is the Si2O5n power 2n inverse. So Si4 inverse tetrahedral share the 3 oxygen atoms other from the 2-dimensional sheet, and this 3-dimensional sheet is also tectosilicates. So tectosilicate SiO4 minus. The type of silicate name and formulas will be important, and extra example will be like example sheet silicate means talc, mica. Next 3-dimensional sheet is also quartz like that. Next important 2 mark or 5 mark zeolite. So 11th standard studied. So zeolite is a 3-dimensional crystalline solids. Aluminum silicate is a 11th standard. Alkali metals will be discussed for aluminum, that the zeolite important will be discussed. Framework and the general formula sodium oxide, aluminum oxide with silica oxide and water molecules. So x times silica oxide, y time of water molecule. So x equal to 2 to 10, y equal to 2 to 6. So zeolite is the porous structure. So important 5 mark for zeolite. The monovalent sodium ion. Water molecule is the loosely held silicon and aluminum tetrahedral coordinations. So clay of the minerals crystalline structure. So zeolite the 3-dimensional crystalline structure. Honeycomb structures of consisting of network. So framework and remaining rigid. So size nearly uniform size. So molecular size we have already for discussed 11th standard students. So important uses removal of permanent hardness of water from zeolites. Thank you to all. So finished for the P block elements 1. Thank you to all students.